The government has directed security forces to increase their presence in Harare Central Business District and crush any individual suspected to be part of today's planned national shutdown. Sana mnamashikobdanyi kwa chinzi soldiers, police, clear Harare CBD. Not about subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipna mnamobdanyi kwa mchinzi. The directive comes in response to growing public discontent fueled by war veteran Blessed Geza, whose recent scathing remarks against President Mnangagwa's administration have galvanized opposition supporters. Geza has been vocal in calling for mass protest against Mnangagwa's leadership, citing economic mismanagement, rampant corruption, and a worsening human rights record. His latest outburst, which went viral on social media, directly accused the ruling ZANU-PF of presiding over a dictatorship and called on Zimbabweans to reclaim their country through peaceful demonstrations. Amid fears of widespread unrest, the state took a drastic step on Sunday, recalling security personnel from leave to the 11th hour and ordering them to report for duty immediately. Soldiers who spoke to Newsday yesterday revealed that they had been given strict instructions to report on duty by 9 a.m. at the latest after receiving recall notices via phone calls. Sources further disclosed that security forces had been placed on 100% standby for a 5-minute move. Government's heavy-handed response signals its determination in suppress any form of dissent as authorities remain wary of growing opposition sentiment. Ndiwo mashoko anobuda nyuka panapa tiona kuti aiwa maforces panguva ino achipiwa strict aiwa commands ekunzi vastope aiwa maprotesters kunyange nevamwe vangotopa leave vanofonera vachinzi by 9 ufanira kunge maripota on work. Zvinozoratidza kuti the regime is also panicking. Tiudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu, musaona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.